How to store cryptocurrency safely. Getting crypto is one thing, while storing it safely requires different skills. This guide teaches you how to protect your funds, choose the right wallet, and avoid compromising your security. What is a crypto wallet? A cryptocurrency wallet is a software program designed to store your public and private keys, send and receive digital currencies, monitor their balance, and interact with various blockchains. You need to have a cryptocurrency wallet to manage your crypto assets and keep them secure. There are many cryptocurrency wallets out there, but the essential distinction between them is whether they are hot or cold. A hot wallet is connected to the internet and can be accessed at any time. Hot wallets include all online cloud wallets, mobile app, and software wallets, and exchanges are hot wallets. A cold wallet is not connected to the internet and allows to store your funds offline. You can still receive funds at any time. Cold wallets are hardware wallets, offline kept paper wallets, USB and offline similar data storage devices. Be your own bank. 4 categories of crypto wallets: paper, hardware, cloud, and online. The art of keeping your crypto safe and secure is a skill to master, to becoming your own bank. The sooner you learn it, the better.
Businesses. This has been a 5-year fight in the making. A 5-year fight fighting for one issue. Bitcoin is money. It should be regulated like other money. No more, no less. And today in Canada, we've won. Is this a big deal? Who cares? Look, you can't really understand the significance of this until you understand just how far we've come. It took 5 years to agree/negotiate what specific activities are covered and the technicalities of this regulation. Listen to this guy's story. The CEO of Canadian crypto assets exchange Bull Bitcoin said this. He said, "I went to prison 5 years ago for selling 10 Bitcoin for $9,200 in 2014 as an unlicensed money transmission, which used the Banking Secrecy Act of 1970, a 50-plus-year-old law applied to Bitcoin. Today in Canada, 5 years later, the laws have changed." Look, this may not seem like a lot to you, but to certain Canadians, this is everything. For the greater Bitcoin movement, this is everything. Bitcoin is money. It should be regulated like other monies, no more, no less. Bitcoin is money. You should treat it as such. And by the way, Canada is quickly turning into a dominating force in the Western world as far as cryptocurrency regulations go. The US still dragging their feet. Service in Canada. The first one of its kind to be listed as a publicly traded company. This listing will help us grow our network of Bitcoin ATMs and online services, making it even easier for you to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies wherever you are. It will also bring Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies further into the mainstream, giving customers a chance to learn more about the benefits of decentralized, known for Bitcoin as well. So the news is this, top story. The notable cryptocurrency exchange in Germany called Extra, so think of this like NASDAQ, the NASDAQ of Germany, has just announced as of June 9th, it will now list a fully settled Bitcoin product. Let me tell you all about this. So the ticker is going to be called BTCE. BTCE tracks the price of Bitcoin and is physically backed by Bitcoin. The Bitcoin will be held in cold storage by digital asset custodian BitGo. What this means is that everybody in Germany, the United Kingdom, and Italy and Austria can now invest in Bitcoin from the convenience of their own stock dashboard. And true, BTCE, if you invest